Welcome to Tools Insider, your ultimate destination for everything related to tools and equipment. Are you looking for the best detail sander? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose detail sander with different prices, benefits, and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right detail sander. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Skillcord Multifunction Detail Sander. This versatile sander includes 3 attachments, allowing you to adopt it for various applications. A 4-in-1 sander, it features additional accessories for finishing large surfaces, edges/corners, and surface contour. The accessories include a slim sanding strip for narrow spaces, a triangle for sanding corners, and a round one for contoured surfaces. Moreover, the attachments are easy to change without additional tools. Another perk for choosing this product is its low price tag, making it one of the most affordable options in the market. This makes it an attractive choice for those shopping on a budget. Despite being inexpensive, this multifunction cord sander delivers a steady speed of up to 13,500 oscillations per minute, thanks to its reliable 1.2 amp motor. With these features, you can rely on the device to deliver a smooth finish on various sanding applications. Additionally, the tool has a built-in microfiltration system that keeps dust away when mowing. It also includes a 1/4 inch dust port that you can connect to a shop vac to collect the dust. You can quickly change the sanding sheets with its hook and loop system. This sander also boasts minimal vibration thanks to the padded design and soft rubber grip. This insulation dampens the impact, reducing hand fatigue and preventing muscle strain. However, this product lags in durability. While it sports a decent look on the surface, its performance tends to diminish rapidly. Typical complaints from users include various components, such as the plate. Number 2. Genesis GMT15, a 1.5 amp multi-purpose oscillating tool. Another superb product from Genesis, the GMT151 oscillating tool boasts an impressive 1.5 amp motor that delivers an output of up to 21,000 OPM. With such speed, you could rely on this product when carrying out quick and accurate work. This multifunctional is the go-to option for all home repair, restoration, and remodeling needs. While it's different from other detail sanders from this list, this tool is great for rounding off corners and edges. You could also use it to cut and grind gouts. The product features a robust aluminum cast housing and is versatile enough to carry out various functions. Besides rounding off edges, this tool also allows you to make small cuts in wood or drywall plastic surfaces. Since this is an all-in-one tool, we wouldn't recommend it for professional sanding needs. Instead, you'll want to acquire a tool designed specifically for that purpose. Moreover, as a cord detail sander, users can forego the hassle of recharging batteries. Instead, you'll need to plug it into a power source through the power cable or extension cord. This cord feature enables the sander to operate at a higher power output. Similarly, you don't risk stopping midway in your project to charge the tool in case the power drains, as is typical with battery-powered sanders. Additionally, this 2.8-pound multifunction detail sander includes a variable speed trigger. This allows you to control the oscillation speed depending on your project and the material you're working on. It also has a segment blade, 2 plunge blades, a triangular sanding pad, 12 sanding sheets, and an accessory case. The accessory case allows you to store the sanding sheets and attachments when you aren't using the device. Number 3. Black Plus Decker Mouse. It would be impossible to end this list without including this product from Black Plus Decker. This is the detail sander buying guide for woodworkers looking for a heavy-duty product at an affordable cost. One aspect that makes this device stand out from the others is its powerful motor. It offers enough power to deliver up to 160,000 OPM, allowing fast material removal. In addition to its compact size, this tool is designed with the user's comfort in mind. It features a rubberized handle and a 3-position grip that offers total control for various applications. The device also has a built-in dust collection system that eliminates the need to clean up messes after every sanding job. Also, its microfiltration system prevents dust particles from escaping. When the collection chamber fills to the brim, detach it from the sander and empty the waste into a garbage can. Then, reattach the collection chamber before resuming operations. However, this sander will be less effective in larger projects due to its smaller size. Typically, with the tool, you'll take longer to sand wider surfaces and may experience fatigue. On the brighter side, the compact design enables you to access tight spaces, awkward angles, and cramped corners. Also, it features a hook and loop system that makes it easier for users to install and remove sandpapers. You can rely on this cord design to offer unlimited runtime for completing your project. Unfortunately, the sander doesn't include a variable speed dial. As a result, it quickly attains maximum oscillation as soon as you turn on the device. Number 4. WEN 6301 Electric Detailing Palm Sander. This affordable electric sander is the go-to option for casual DIYers looking to complete smaller projects. Weighing in at just over 2 pounds, this lightweight detailing palm sander features a 1-amp motor. The motor delivers an output of 13,500 OPM per minute. However, this tool doesn't include a variable speed trigger. Unfortunately, this means that you'll have to contend working with the maximum oscillation. The tool, however, features a dust-sealed on/off switch, allowing you to shut it down immediately. The device comes with a 3.75-inch by 5.5-inch pad with an angled tip that allows you to achieve high levels of precision in your woodworking projects. It also features an inbuilt dust collection port and fan-supported dust slots, which keeps the sawdust away when sanding. However, this unit doesn't have a dust bag or collection chamber to collect the sawdust. As a result, you'll need to connect it to a shop vacuum system to keep your workplace clean. You could also purchase a separate dust bag to collect the waste. Lastly, it consists of a Velcro base pad that allows you to install and remove sandpaper seamlessly. Number 5. Bosch StarLock Plus Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. This oscillating multi-kit by Bosch features a triangular-shaped sanding pad and 25 sanding sheets. Use this option if you want to sand tight angles and corners in your woodworking projects cleanly. The device offers multi-tool versatility, and you can use it to flush cut, plunge cut, sand, and ground surfaces. In addition, it has a segment blade and 2 plunge blades that you can use instead of sanding sheets to cut, scrape, and grind grout. This compatible sander features a dynamic range of accessories and utilizes all StarLock Plus and StarLock accessories. These accessories include the StarLock Plus 3D interface that delivers greater torque transfer and reliable grip. Moreover, this lightweight and compact detail sander weighs about 3.3 pounds. It also has a powerful 4-amp motor with reinforced steel gearing to provide robust power. The oscillating tool also includes a variable speed dial, allowing you to toggle from 8,000 to 20,000 OPM. You can control the speed depending on your application, allowing you to fine sand a wood surface or remove stains and paints, among other undesirable blemishes. Lastly, this convenient tool includes a snap-in accessory attachment and release lever. As a result, you don't risk burning your fingers whenever you release the blade. So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comments below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.